This question can never be solved by normal algebraic process. Follow me to the end and see how it will be solved. So you have x to the power of x equals to 16. So you now take the natural log of both sides. That is natural log of x to the power x, that's ln x to the power x equals to ln 16. So this one becomes x ln x will be equals to ln 16. So for this x, for example, this we introduce the exponential, that is e to the power of ln x, it will give us x multiplied by ln x will be equals to ln 16. So this one now you can make in the form of ln x multiplied by exponential of ln x equals to ln 16. So we're now going to apply what we call Lambert W function. Lambert W function says that if you have something like a multiplied by exponential a, if you apply if you apply the Lambert W function, everything here will become a. Just observe. So let us subject this and this to that function. So we have Lambert W function of ln x multiplied by e ln x will be equals to this one too, Lambert W function of ln 16. So going by the formula here, so this one now will become ln x will be equals to W number function of ln 16. So how do I get x here? If you put exponential of ln x, it's going to give us x. So whatever you do here, you also do it here, and it will be equals to exponential of the play function of ln 16. So this one now and this will cancel out. So we now have x and be equals to exponential of the blue number function, the blue number function of ln 16. And this is the final answer.